So one of the missions of the Duke Cancer Institute that we're very passionate about is the training and education about the next generation of cancer researchers and clinicians.
I've been very fortunate to have worked with over 30 graduate students and over 35 postdocs in my time here at Duke University. Most of my trainees have gone on to careers both in academia and in industry, still engaged in meaningful cancer research.
To accomplish this mission, we have a variety of initiatives that span the training continuum, from high school students through junior faculty. These include our trainees in our medical school, physician assistant program, physical therapy program, and nursing schools, as well as our residents and fellows in our clinical programs. We need all of these individuals to take care of patients and to make the next steps forward in cancer research.
I'm actually the first in my family to go to college, and I'm also the first one to actually pursue a PhD.
So in terms of our training continuum, we start with the high school students. For those individuals, we're really trying to get them engaged in interest in science and math. So we bring them into our research environments. We give them a taste of what it's like to do cancer research. We show them some of the models that we use in cancer research. And that really helps spark their interest, and hopefully that gets them looking at research, and specifically cancer research, as one of the things they want to do next in their careers.
And at the end of my freshman year, I did a summer research program, actually here at Duke. So I was able to work for a couple months in a DCI lab. This really introduced me to Duke, the people here, the great research, and it's probably a big reason why I chose to come back here.
What characterizes our program and makes it ultra special is the fact that it encompasses from basic science to translational to clinical science in a very seamless manner. It allows for a great deal of collaboration between basics and scientists and the medical school people that are actually looking and treating patients.
Everything that you can possibly imagine that you would need to conduct and ask scientific questions can be found here at Duke. Having the hospital close by, having the core facilities literally across the street really creates an environment that accelerates the rate at which we can push forward science.
It's incredibly important to have that level of innovation, to be able to attract the very best graduate students and postdoctoral fellows, focusing on recruiting those that are called URMs, or underrepresented minorities in science, to bring them into that excitement and that innovation so that they also get to participate, make contributions, and then benefit from those contributions in the form of publishing high-impact research papers in high-impact journals, making presentations at national meetings, and moving their career to the next level.
I am originally from Tanzania, and in Tanzania we do not have well-developed research programs. When I came to study in the United States, I was very excited to get the opportunity to do actual science and to be trained as a real scientist. So I am hoping that in the future I can go back home and maybe start more biomedical research at home and maybe establish a lab. And I would encourage others to also try to find opportunities to learn basic science, because the future is in basic science.
Duke Cancer Institute has a wealth of world-class investigators that are dedicated to training the next generation of cancer researchers. We hope you will consider joining us in our fight against cancer. To check out the wealth of opportunities available, please check out our website at dukecancerinstitute.org. If you're not finding something there that suits your needs, please feel free to contact me directly.